Hello guys, if you are beginner and want to learn about the programming of ST microcontrollers, then my friend, this video is perfect starting for you. For programming of ST controllers, first we need to initialize the peripherals for our project. To do that, we will use official and free of source STM32CubeMx software. This software will generate initialization of peripherals for our project. In this video, we will learn how to download and install this software, and in next video we will discuss interface of STM32CubeMx. Now let's get started. First of all, open a Chrome and search STM32CubeMx. Now you can see the official site of ST. Click on the first link. After some time, you will see the get software. Click on that. Here we can see the STM32CubeMx for Linux, Mac and Windows. I am using Windows, so I will download it. So by clicking get latest, you can get the latest version of STM32CubeMx, and by here you can select the older version. Now click on it and accept the license agreement. If you don't have any account in st.com, then simply click on login or register and register yourself. But I have an account, so I will just fill out these things and then click on download. As you can see, my registration has been successfully submitted. Now go to the mail and click on ST. As you can see, there is download link. Click on download now. This will take some time, so wait until that. Okay, now site is open, and as you can see, now click on get software. After that, as you can see, our downloading is started. After finishing download, it will take some time because file is little bit big. So after completion of download, I will extract it. So install that file. It will take some time. As you can see, I am unable to see it. Now just go for a window. Go for it. Yeah. Now click on next. Accept terms and condition. Next. Again click on both, and here you can choose your preference path where you want to download and install. Now we will keep default. Next. As you can see, it unpack our packages. It might take some time. After that, click and finish it. After that, you have done successfully installed. Let's open the STM32CubeMx. I will show you an interface of it, and in next video I will discuss about how to use STM32CubeMx. So stay tuned for next update. Thank you guys.